Hi, Milana. So I thought I'd send you this quick little screencast. Right now, what you're seeing is actually me impersonating you. So this is what you would see when you log into the course. And I'm going to show you how to access the Dropboxes and what the assignments you're supposed to submit are. So let's just say, for example, in Unit 1, Activity 4, which I just messaged you about. So you would see, here's Unit 1 material. And if you scroll down, on activity 4, if you notice here after every activity, they have content, 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 and then before you start the new activity, there's an assignment. So every lesson has an assignment. So you click on the assignment. This is one way to go about it. There's quite a few, but let's just say you click on the assignment, and then this is your assignment. So if you look, assignment 1 is a review. It's time to review what you've learned so far. So you try these questions and then it's giving you an answer. But then if you click going to assignment 2, this is where you see Dropbox. So Dropbox, it's saying adding integers seems pretty straightforward. So this whole part here is actually what the only thing you needed to submit. You needed to solve for this word problem, obviously using integers, and then submit that to Dropbox. So this little piece of the assignment could be done on a Google Doc, a Word doc. You just have to be careful when you share it with me that you're giving me access and you're not restricting me. So if you share directly with my email address, sflores@scdsb.on.ca, I'll be able to share it and make sure that you unclick the little box at the bottom that says private, only me or only I could see, and then I'll be able to see it. Alternatively, you can do a Word doc or anything else, or even a PDF. If you save it as a PDF, do it in a Google Doc and then save it onto your desktop as a PDF. You can then submit that to Dropbox and I'll be able to take a quick look at it. But every assignment, if you scroll down again to activity 5, if you notice activity 5, again, there's content and then there's another assignment. In this case, the assignment for this one says it's a quiz. Activity, I mean, you guys haven't gotten to activity 6, but activity, let's say 3, the assignment for activity 3 was a discussion post. So every time you see an assignment, so in this case, activity 4 was a Dropbox item. First was a review, but the review, it didn't say to submit to Dropbox. If it doesn't say submit to Dropbox, then don't do it. This is just practice. Assignment 2 says submit to Dropbox, so this is where you would definitely need to go ahead and do that. I hope this clarifies how to access Dropbox. But if you have any other questions, feel free to contact me or email me and I'll see how I can help out. Bye.